Hello everyone, welcome to Aanvii Hearing. Today I'm going to talk about the diagnosis and management of auditory processing disorder. The ability to listen and process auditory information is vital for effective communication and learning. Auditory processing disorder, which is APD, is a complex neurological condition that affects one's capacity to understand and interpret sounds. In this podcast, we'll delve into the diagnosis and management of auditory processing disorder. Let us understand auditory processing disorder. APD, often referred to as Central Auditory Processing Disorder, which is CAPD, is not a hearing problem but a difficulty in the way the brain processes auditory information. People with APD can typically hear sounds as well as anyone else but may struggle to interpret and make sense of what they hear. This condition is not confined to any particular age group and can affect children and adults. Diagnosing APD. Diagnosing APD can become challenging as its symptoms often overlap with other disorders like attention deficits and learning disabilities. A multidisciplinary approach is typically employed to diagnose APD. The process may include comprehensive assessment, a battery of tests including behavioral and electrophysiological assessments are used to evaluate various aspects of auditory processing. Hearing evaluation. A hearing test is conducted to rule out hearing loss or peripheral hearing problems. Speech language assessment. Speech language pathologists examine an individual's language and speech skills. Cognitive testing. Assessments of memory, attention, and other cognitive abilities may be performed. Listening task. Individuals may be subjected to listening tasks to evaluate their ability to process complex auditory information. Management and intervention. While there is no cure for APD, various management strategies and interventions can significantly improve an individual's quality of life. Here are some approaches. Audiologist. Audiologists and computer based programs can help individuals enhance their auditory discrimination and sound recognition skills. Environmental modifications. Simple adjustments like reducing background noise can improve the listening environment for people with APD. Phonemic awareness and language therapy. Speech language pathologists can provide targeted therapy to improve phonemic awareness and language processing skills. Assistive listening devices. These devices, like FM systems, can be used to amplify and clarify sounds in specific listening situations. Individualized education plans. For children with APD, individualized education plans can ensure they receive tailored support in educational settings. Counseling and support. Emotional and psychological support is essential, particularly for children, to address any self esteem or emotional issues arising from APD. Medication. In some cases, medications might be prescribed if APD symptoms are linked to other conditions like attention deficits. Living with auditory processing disorder. Living with APD requires patience and a supportive environment. Families, educators, and employers can play a crucial role in helping individuals with APD succeed. Here are some tips. Educational support. Work closely with educators to implement necessary accommodations and support for students with APD. Communication. Maintain open and patient communication with individuals with APD. Be attentive to their needs and preferences in communication. quiet spaces. Create quiet spaces at home or in the workplace to minimize distractions and improve listening conditions. Advocacy. Individuals with APD and their families may need to advocate for their needs, especially in educational and work settings. Technology. Use technology like speech to text applications and hearing assistive devices to enhance communication. Auditory processing disorder is a challenging condition that can significantly impact an individual's life. However, with early diagnosis and appropriate management, people with APD can lead fulfilling lives and effectively navigate educational and work environments. Awareness and support from families, educators, and employers are key to helping individuals with APD reach their full potential. If you suspect APD in yourself or a loved one, don't hesitate to seek professional assessment and assistance. With the right strategies, the management of APD is entirely possible and individuals can thrive in all aspects of life. For more information, visit our website, which is www.aanvihearing.com, or call us on 9658395839.